Hello everyone, easy Onshape tutorials here again. Today I'm going to show everyone how to use the circle and dimension tool. We're going to use them to create a hole in our first project from our first video. These tools are also very important starter tools to use. In order to find the center point circle tool, which is a circle tool we're going to be using, you must first create a new sketch on the surface of this box on the top. Or you could also do the bottom if you want, but right here we're going to do the top. And now, once we select that, you're going to want to choose this tool, center point circle, and basically click just somewhere in the middle of this box and drag out a circle. And you can basically choose the size of it by doing that. But we're going to be using the dimension tool here to choose the size. This can be used to precisely choose sizes of basically any object you want. So right here, we're going to choose 1 inch. So right here we got 1 inch. You can also choose a different size if you want. Just make sure it's within this box perimeters. And now you can choose to finish the sketch. And now we're going to go ahead and create the hole through the circle by selecting extrude. And you can switch your view maybe on the side. And you're going to want to choose the opposite direction to make sure where this circular phases through the box instead of sticking out on the top. And as you can see, there's an error, so don't worry about that. Just choose remove, and now you can just choose, if you want, you can choose through all, so that it goes through the entire box, goes through the entire box, and select done, and boom, you have it. You have a box with a circle through it. And one major problem that you encounter was the one that we saw back then, because some beginners would get most likely stuck when they see the error and not know what to do, but just press remove and you should be done.